I am a freelancer. I am a freelancer. What is the project? What is the project? I need a client. I need a client. My hourly rate. My hourly rate. Fixed price deal. Fixed price deal. Send me your offer. Send me your offer. This is a contract. This is a contract. Accept the terms now. Accept the terms now. Deadline is tomorrow. Deadline is tomorrow. I need a deposit. I need a deposit. Payment method is secure. Payment method is secure. Review the full task. Review the full task. Give me some feedback. Give me some feedback. Update the project files. Update the project files. I finished the work. I finished the work. Submit your final draft. Submit your final draft. The client is happy. The client is happy. Skills are very important. Skills are very important. Build your online profile. Build your online profile. Write a good proposal. Write a good proposal. Negotiate the total price. Negotiate the total price. Stay professional at work. Stay professional at work. Avoid any long delays. Avoid any long delays. Communicate clearly today. Communicate clearly today. Good luck with freelancing. Good luck with freelancing.